Welcome to Brussels, the lively capital of Belgium. This city is right in the middle of Europe, filled with history, amazing architecture, and it's where important decisions for many countries in Europe are made. The Grand Place is one of the most famous spots in Brussels. It's a big square with stunning old buildings like the Town Hall, which looks like it's from a fairy tale. Up north, you'll find the Atomium, a huge metal structure that looks like a giant atom. It was built for a big fair in 1958 and has become a symbol of the city's modern side. Brussels is also where the European Union meets. The European Parliament makes laws and decisions that affect many people across Europe. If you need a break from the city buzz, Cinquantenaire Park is perfect. It's a big park with gardens and museums like the Military History Museum and a big arch. Brussels is made up of lots of neighborhoods, each with its own vibe. Saint Catherine is cool with cafes and shops, while Marolles is full of history and charm. And don't forget Belgian food. Brussels is famous for waffles with chocolate, tasty chocolates, and lots of different kinds of beer to try. Whether you love history, cool buildings, trying new food, or just exploring a new city, Brussels has something for you. Come and discover this exciting city where tradition mixes with new ideas. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and ideas. Thanks for watching.